Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to be showing you all about the, however you want to pronounce it, it's a plastic sheet cutter. It cuts acrylic, it cuts Lexan, it cuts plexiglass, and it basically works by creating a score. Now you're going to want to use it along a straight edge to get a nice straight line as you're crossing the plexiglass. But you're going to do several scoring passes like that, and then what you'll do is you'll snap the plastic, sand the edges, and away you go. So stay tuned. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now I'm not going to bore you with showing you how to score a piece of plastic. I'm just going to do it in pantomime here, but you'd be following a line, creating a groove, and you'll do it several times so that you can snap the plexiglass, whatever it is, and that creates your piece. Now, it doesn't work on curves. You're going to want to do straight lines. Now, you can also do it on bigger sheets. It really doesn't bend the thighs, and you can use it on sheets as thin as 1/100th of an inch. And for that, it usually comes in a roll, and you'll normally be using those for placards and compass cards and other things where you just need a small piece. Scissors work well on a piece this small. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all that useful and informative about a plexiglass cutter. Not endorsing it, haven't used it yet, but we hope you found it useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.